Memory foam pillows cannot be machine washed, but there are ways to clean them. To prevent staining, quickly soak up any spills and blot the area with damp cloths or paper towels. If necessary, spot clean with mild soap. To neutralize odors, sprinkle both sides of the pillow with baking soda. Tougher odors and stains can be treated with an enzymatic cleaner or vinegar solution. Additionally, using a liquid-proof pillowcase or protector can help keep the pillow clean. Remember to use gentle blotting motions. Avoid using hot water and be patient while cleaning. Mist the pillow with fabric freshener or sprinkle baking soda for odor removal. Vacuum the baking soda and consider leaving the pillow in sunlight for natural deodorization. If stains persist, try dabbing with mild detergent or using an enzymatic cleaner or vinegar solution. Blot the area with a damp cloth and repeat until the stain is gone. Lastly, ensure the pillow is completely dry before replacing the pillowcase to prevent mold growth and damage to the foam.